platform. My name is Mr. Benjamin Robin. I'm here this morning to take mathematics for Basic 5 and Primary 5. And the topic for the day is speed. The topic again is speed. Under this topic, we'll be calculating average speed, distance, and time. We have average speed, distance, and time. And what is average speed? These are some of the formulas we used in calculating speed, average speed. Average speed is equals to total distance covered or total distance traveled all over total time taken. Average speed is equals to total distance traveled all over total time taken. Then, if you are asked to calculate the time covered, you will use this formula. Time covered is equals to total distance all over divided by average speed. Time can be calculated using total distance traveled all over average speed, and total distance or distance can be calculated using the formula average speed times time. Average speed times time. So these are the measure. We'll be concentrating on these three major formulas in calculating speed. Speed is equals to total distance traveled over total time taken. And time can be calculated using total distance divided by average speed. And total distance is equals to average speed times time. Speed is usually expressed in kilometer per hour or meter per second or centimeter per second, where kilometer per hour can be abbreviated as km/hr. Kilometer per hour, km/hr is equivalent, is the same thing as kilometer per hour, and m/s is equals to meters per second, and centimeter. Finally, we have centimeter per second, that is c/s represents centimeter per second. So let's just move straight to the example. Example 1. A motorcyclist traveled 36 kilometers in 40 minutes. At what speed per hour was he traveling? B. How long can he travel in 2.5 hours? Let me read the question again. A motorcyclist traveled 36 kilometers in 40 minutes. At what speed per hour was he traveling? And secondly, we are asked to calculate how long can he travel in 2.5 seconds. 2.5 hours. So solution. The distance given is distance traveled. The distance is given as distance is 36. Distance covered is equals to 36 kilometers. And the time is given to be what? 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Then what we are asked to calculate, we are asked to calculate the speed. The speed is not given. So the distance covered is 36 kilometers and the time is 40 minutes. The question says, at what speed per hour? That is, we are expected to convert this time given to us in minutes to what? To hour before we start our calculation. The first thing we must do is to convert the time. The time is given in minutes. But from the question we are asked that what speed per hour was he traveling? That means we are expected to convert this time that is given in minutes to hour. So the formula speed is equals to distance over what? Time. The distance traveled over time. So let's convert this time to what? To hour. We have 60 minutes will give us 1 hour. If 60 minutes will give us 1 hour, 40 minutes will be equals to what? X hour. So we'll cross multiply. We'll have 40 minutes
multiplied by 1 hour divided by 60 minutes. So the minutes will cancel out. 40 times 1 hour will give us 40 hour divided by what? 60. So the 0 can cancel. 0 can cancel. We're left with 4 over what? 6. But we can still use 2 to reduce it to the lowest 10. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. And 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. So we have 2 all over 3 hours. It simply means that 40 minutes is equivalent to 2 all over 3 hours. So let's go back to the question. Speed is equals to what? From our formula we have the distance. The distance is 36 kilometers divided by 2 over 3 hours. So you see the same thing as 36 kilometers divided by 2 all over 3 hours. We'll make this 36 all over 1. And remember, when we have two fractions, we have two fractions and we have this kind of division between the two fractions. We can change this division to multiplication. So we have 36 kilometers over 1 times 3 over 2. We now change, if you are changing this division to multiplication, the denominator will now represent the numerator, while the numerator will now represent what? The denominator. So 2 here will give us 1 and 2 in 36 will give us 18. And we have 18 kilometers multiplied by 3 will give us 54 kilometers per hour. Our answer is 54 kilometers per hour. So answer is 54 kilometers per hour. Let me go through the question again. We'll have, if we are to calculate at what speed per hour was she traveling, what you need to know is that, what you need to do is that since we are asked to calculate the speed and the time, we are asked to calculate the speed in per hour, you will change the time given. Since the time given in the question is 40 minutes, you will change the 40 minutes to what? To hour. How do you change 40 minutes to hour? Go through your conversion table. 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour and 40 minutes is equivalent to x hour. Then you cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you have 40 minutes times 1 will give you 40 all over what? 6. Then you reduce it to your lowest time. You end up getting 2 all over 3 hours. Simply means that 40 minutes is equivalent to 2 all over 3 hours. Then we'll now go back to the formula. Distance, speed is equals to distance all over time. The speed is 36 kilometers divided by 2 all over 3 hours. So at the end of your calculation, you end up getting 54 kilometers per hour. So the B part, we are asked how long can he travel in 2.5 hours. If you want to calculate how long he can travel in 2.5 hours, that means if in 1 hour he traveled 54 kilometers per hour. If in 1 hour he travels 54 kilometers per hour, then in 2.5 hours, how many kilometers will he travel? So we have 1 hour is equal to what? 54. Then in 2.5 hours, you travel x kilometers per hour. So if you want to calculate how long he travels in 2.5 kilometers, you will cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you end up getting 2.5 hours multiplied by 54 kilometers per hour divided by 1 hour. Hour will cancel out hour. So this 2.5, you can change this 2.5 to improper fraction. 2.5 is the same thing as 2 times 5. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 all over 2 multiplied by 54 kilometers per hour. So we'll have 2 here will give us 1, and 2 in 54 will give us 27. We end up getting 5 times 27 km per hour. And 5 times 27 km per hour will give us 135 km per hour. That is in 2.5 hours, you will cover the distance of 135 km per hour. You cover the speed of 135 km per hour. Then example 2. An aeroplane traveled to London at 839 km per hour for 4 hours. What distance was covered by the aeroplane? Let me read the question again. An aeroplane traveled to London at 839 km per hour for 4 hours. What distance was covered by the aeroplane? So we are asked to calculate the speed given in this question. The speed is 839 km per hour, and the time is 4 hours. So we are asked to calculate distance. The distance is not given. So we'll go by the formula. Distance is equals to speed times time. Distance is equals to speed times time. So distance is equals to the speed given to us is 839 km per hour multiplied by time, 4 hours. So hours will cancel out hours. We're left with 839 km multiplied by 4. You multiply 839 km by 4, you end up getting 3,356 km. 3,356 km. Let me go through the solving again. We have the speed given in this particular question is 839 km per hour, and the time is 4 hours. So we are asked to calculate what distance. We now go back to our formula. Distance is equals to speed times time. Then we substitute in our value for speed. Speed is 839 km per hour multiplied by 4 hours. So the hours will cancel out. We're left with 839 km times 4. If you multiply 839 km by 4, you end up getting 3,356 km. That means this aeroplane has covered the distance of 3,356 km. Let me write some of the practice exercise on the board. Practice exercise. Practice exercise. How long does it take to cover a distance of 150 kilometers at an average speed of 15 kilometers per hour? 2. An aeroplane flying at an average speed of 640 kilometers per hour to 5 hours to its destination. How many kilometers? How many kilometers was the journey? Let me read the question again. How long does it take to cover a distance of 150 km at an average speed of 15 km per hour. The second question, an aeroplane flying at an average speed of 640 km per hour took 5 hours to its destination. How many kilometers was the journey? So you are expected to practice this exercise. Remember that practice makes you to be perfect in solving mathematical questions. Thank you and remain blessed.